Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have a little bit different song here from Joji called Die For You. So very slow like this, and great anyway. It's a cool mix of these melodies and then the slow strumming. So we'll practice on both these things here, but first we'll go over the chords. And we do that with capo here, first fret. So that's where we need to set our capo. And we have, what I can see, 6 different chords. So let's start with those. We'll have first the D major 7. So that is open D, second G, second B, and second E. Then the E minor 7. So that is second on A, and everything else is open strings. All strings there. All right. The next chord will be G major 7. So that is third on E. That is muted, the open A string there. I mute this, so I just leave my finger on top of it. And then I mute the A string, and then open D, open G, third B, and second E. Then we have the B minor. That's a bar here on the second fret. From the A string and down, 5 strings from bottom up. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Then we have the G. So that's 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then we have the G minor. So that's a bar here on the 3rd fret for all strings, and the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. So there we have the chords. And we'll start this one with this medley that goes for 2 rounds. One intro round first, and then the first verse will be for 2 rounds. Goes like this. Okay, so we'll start with the first grip here. It will hold 5th on A, then 4th on D, then 3rd on B, and 6th on G. This is how the grip looks like. And then you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, so. And then comes the 2nd fret G string and open G string. Okay, then we'll move to this part. So that is 2nd on D, then open G, and then you play open B together with 2nd E. And then we go to the final grip here, this part. So that is 3rd on E in the bass, then open G, and then open B together with 2nd E, and you end with one open E. And that's it. That's 1 round of the melody. Gonna play this for 1 round in intro, and then the first verse we'll play with just this melody for 2 rounds. That takes us to the first pre-chorus, and now we'll play downs only. So I'm just gonna mention the chords and the number of downs. So we're gonna play 4 G's. G minor 4, then D major 7 4, and B minor 4, then E minor 7 4, and G minor 1 down plus a pause. And that's the pre-chorus. And that takes us to the first chorus. I heard that you're happy without me. That's where on the lyrics. Now we're gonna look at the strumming pattern, and D minor 7 will be the first chord, so grab that one. What I do here, I just put a bar here on the 2nd fret from the G string and down, so like that only, all right? And then incorporate the open D as well, of course. So that's the first chord, D major 7. The strumming pattern, 1 round of it will be down, down, clap, down. So pretty easy. Down, down, clap, down. So we're gonna work with this strumming now. I'm just gonna mention the numbers and the chords. So D minor 7 4. Now E minor 7 2 and the G major 2. And then we're gonna repeat that. So D major 7 4. Then E minor 2. Then the G major 7 1 down plus pause, and that is the first chorus. Then we have this interlude right after it, and it will be the D major 7 4 strum rounds, E minor 7 2, and G major 7 2. So that's just the instrumental part there. And then starts the second verse. You will now continue with this strumming, down down clap down, and we'll do that with D major 7 4. Then E minor 7 2 and the G major 7 2. And you will do that chord progression for 2 rounds. So that is the second verse. And then we have the second pre-chorus. Okay, we'll continue with this strumming now. The chords will be the same as in the first pre-chorus, just the difference here is the strumming. So G2, G minor 2, D major 7 2, B minor 2, E minor 7 2, and 1 down on the G minor. So I don't think we need to play that, just 2 strumming rounds for all these chords except for the last one, 1 down on G minor. All right, so that takes us to the second chorus, and that is played in the same way as we learned the first one, so nothing changes there. And then we have this outro part, the strumming here with D minor 7 4, the strumming E minor 7 2, G minor 7 2, then D minor 7 4, E minor 7 2, and 1 down on the G major 7. So that is how Joji's Die For You ends. So sort of a calm, mellow song. Give it a try. Nice little melody in the beginning, and then with a pretty simple strumming. So yeah, good luck and play tuned.